Not many forks ahead. We're getting closer to the outer wall.
Yes, I heard the sounds of the street.
Miss Sotheby, did you get hurt? We didn't know there were so many ambushes.
No worries. You carry Freddy. And clean up the potion on his mouth.
We gathered much intelligence this time. When we get out of here, I will write a report. Oh, and... Timekeeper, there is another person. I heard someone asking for help around here. There was also remnants of potion there. I want to help her get out.
Can you find her position?
Let me think. It should be around the wall, in front of the critter lair. At the end of this corner, turn right.
Mia sorella, it's Schneider. Call my name. Don't you remember me? It's Schneider. Mi dispiace. I'll get you out right now. Back to our citrus orchard in Sicily. Shh, be quiet. We will be back home soon.
You chased us here. It is you. You are abusing this girl. Evil murderer. I must stop you.
Don't piss me off. Sparisci. No! I'm not Arcanist! I'm not Arcanist! I won't pretend to be an Arcanist! I can't drink anymore!
We're here to help. Stay calm, miss. Let go!
Mia sorella, don't be like this. You are safe now. What the hell did they force you to eat?
You are her sister. She took the truth serum? I have memorized the formula. The feel and smell of the liquid could confirm it. Let her lie on her back. Right arm high. I will conduct first aid and get her to vomit up the potion.
Okay, be quick.
Oh, we got company. We need to get out of here fast.
Stay focused. Forget the rest.
Don't worry. Leave it to me. Just a little more time. She will spit it out.
Waffles! The new enemies are not something we can deal with.
Everyone! I found the exit! This is where we crashed into. As long as we push out the auto island, we can escape from here!
Everyone, start pushing now! We have to get out of here.
Is it here? Is the exit here? Boss, what should we do?
Here you are. The exit is here. Push the car!
You guys, push the hood. Keep pushing. On my mark. Ready, push. Ready, Push!
Oh, I'm sorry. My auto-island is too strong. It's not moving at all. Oh, I'm running out of strength. Oh.
Mr. Apple! The Heaven Apostle!
Ow! Please move out the way. This is very dangerous. 3 rounds left, and right. Open the wing. Put on the wheel. Stay away from the car!
Wow.
The car is blasted to the street. Get out of the hole while you can. This wall is about to collapse.
Run! I can hold a little longer!
4, 5, 6. Quick! We're all out! Just you!
Timekeeper! The wall is falling down.
Sorry. Please, don't run away.
Timekeeper! Timekeeper!
You are Schneider, right? Did I get away? Yes. You made it. You are free now.
Go. Run freely. Leave the rest to me.
Surprisingly, there's a day to fight side by side with you, Miss Governor.
Let's see what a good match we are.
Offer your seat to the senior?
Do whatever you like. Sorry. Blooming souls.
Advice from the forest.
Where is the sea lion dog?
Don't be so hard. Take it easy.
All of our roads lead to the same destination.
Flying handbag for only 3,000 crocodiles. Frost you with the armor of the forest.
Where is the sea lion dog?
Penetrate.
Interessante! Interessante!
Do whatever you like. Darling. Blooming souls.
Police's number. I'll carve it on your face.
I weave the gown with thorns. You shall repay with sacrifice of wounds. Frost you with the armor of the forest.
I'll give you the time to pray.
Blooming
As if
souls. Falling down. Che peccato. Si dalla parte sbagliata.
Ciao, amore!
Frost you with the armor of the forest.
Do whatever you like.
Don't worry, you won't cry soon!
No need to look back. Frost-Dew is the armor of the forest.
Where is the Sly Dog?
That's... Prego!
It's you.
You are back here again. Maybe it's telepathy. Maybe your soul is out of your body. Maybe... Anyway, you're back here. In the dark woods, the huge oak trees crack in front of you. Dry and pungent fumes billow out. Flames swallow a lot of things. A lot of money. A lot of lives. Family laughters. And a pair of eyes that once looked to the future. Dead skin. Dead fish. Upturning fishy scales. Desperate. The wailing wails of aquatic animals being boiled in the sea. Your palm tingles as you caress the trunk. The tree trunks with hanging dried strips of bark look like frightened cats. This might be their last effort to retain their dignity before meeting their doom. The hanging bark falls to the ground at your touch. No muss, no fuss, as if they've prepared for the fall for a long time. The woods are no fan of the fire, but they don't like staying on the cross for a long time either. You still have so many questions to ask her. But before you could, the battle has started. I like you being positive. Your optimism will help you achieve your goals. Get with the impossible girls, pay the bills, and probably become the greatest pacifist. Oh, did I just mention the girls? Just in case I need to add a few more. So get with the impossible girls, boys, elders, transgenders, cute radios, assheads. Enough. What we said tonight is just between you and me.
Timekeeper.
We can't leave Timekeeper inside alone. If we break the wall now, we can still...
No, we cannot get in touch with Vertin yet. Without her location, they may get hurt from the blast.
The black smoke! Watch out! Captain, we need to stay away from the wall. It's too dangerous inside. Some of us are affected by enemy's incantation.
Then find the nearest window and get in. We may surround the enemy. Timekeeper must not be caught by the Manus.
Look, bring all your weapons. Yeah, we break out together with them.
Huh? A group of masked men at the main entrance are rushing over. Oh no, they will see us.
We should go.
What?
When Timekeeper is absent, Chief Assistant Sonetta will be the first in command. Going back now is like lambs to the slaughter. It will only ruin the last chance to rescue the Timekeeper. The enemy is after us. We are still in danger. It will only cost us more if we act on impulse.
But...
Please trust the Timekeeper. She will do her best not to put herself in danger. And the Manus will also want to know why the Timekeeper is immune to the storm. We need to make a rescue plan as soon as we are safe and get her out.
Copy that.
Found then!
The rioters are here. Miss Sotheby, the car once hit by the Heaven Apostle. Is it still working?
I have no idea. It's also my first time taking the Auto Island. I used to travel with Hippogriff Ruggiero.
It still works, but the engine needs a moment.
This is all because of you! Stop!
Everybody, get ready to fight.
Let the work begin. That's them?
Handle it gently.
Go to hell! Prego!
Hey! Take it easy.
Don't worry, you won't cry soon!
Try for free. Try for free. Handle it gently. Flying handbag for only 3,000 crocodiles.
Everyone will love the Blue Bubble Garden.
That's them? Prego!
This way.
Bloody prom.
I'm hungry. Smaller than the stars. Bigger than the mushrooms.
The ocean dried and I'm alone again.
Snack time.
That's them?
Take it easy.
Don't worry, you won't cry soon! Prego!
Come on. We're all counting on you, buddy. Just a little bit. The engine's on!
Wow. Is this also the Great Arcanum? Next time, please teach me how to master it.
Everybody get in the car. I'm afraid the noise will get us new company. Miss Sotheby, could we stay at your house for the moment?
Stay? Really? That's awesome! I always plan to invite a friend to my place. Everything is ready. Just need a friend. Mr. Carson would certainly not agree, but I will convince him. Please believe me.
Everyone get on board. Don't get left behind. Miss Sotheby, please lead the way.
Sure, no problem. Whoops, Miss Reeling, you stepped on my skirt. Well, I have a lot of potions hidden here. If they're broken, I'm over.
Sorry.
Whew. Thank goodness this apple doesn't take much space.
They're behind us. The rearview mirror is really something. Let's move. Everyone sit tight. Grab everything in your reach.
These are the woods we passed before. Mr. Carson said there are many terrible things hiding here. Miss Zanetto was chased by a group of ghost-like monsters. Oh, I seem to have read about them in the Guide to Monsters with Good Temper. Yes, right under this tree,
After we drove away the scoundrels, Miss Sonetto joined us. This is where the friendship between Sotheby and Miss Sonetto begins. Am I right, Miss Sonetto? Miss Sonetto? Are you crying? Oh.
You're back, Miss Druvis. What you brought back is as satisfying as expected, Miss Druvis.
Is that right?
What do you mean by right? They are not good people, Miss Druvis. One is a traitor, and the other a bureaucrat. You've done it right for all the blinded ones.
I don't care whether they're good or not. I just want to know. Is it really the right thing to do?
Of course not. Shall we meet Lady Verton as equals at the conference table? Better treatment she deserveth. I have been seeking a chance to talk to you from an equal position. The name is Arcana.
Hello. The leader behind Manus Vindictae.
Thou art acquainted with us. How wonderful. I am pleased. Lady Verton, here is an official offer that you joinest Manus Vindictae.
Miss Arcana.
Why?
Why? It's simple. I simply adore thy visage, emotionless in each storm. I adore that which shineth in gold, nestled in thy cranium. Thy flesh and blood belonging to us, if only a fraction of an ounce.
Do I have the right to say no?
Absolutely. As I said, we are in an equal position. I ask that thou answer 3 questions. Answer me, then thou shalt leave. Lest indulge in thy suffering.
You can't. Don't waste your time.
Miss Schneider, it is you who betrayed us first.
Is that so, Mr. Forget-Me-Not? It seems we have never reached an agreement.
After all, your promise was a lie from the very beginning, Miss Schneider. You should have known what was coming for you.
So, what are the 3 questions? And how do you indulge in my suffering?
Content thee, my child. The answer will be revealed for both of us. The first question. What is the ultimate purpose for the Foundation to create the storm?
What? The Foundation? Isn't the storm created by you?
Time is up. I was expecting a better answer. Start with her right hand. Her gesture with a gun bothereth me.
Schneider!
Shh. This is too much for her with a broken hand. Then, the second question. The Foundation experiments on the orphans of Arcanists. Is this true?
Yes. We are looking for the arcane antibody immune to the storm. And I'm the only successful subject.
And the name of the antibody is?
Asymmetric immune protein G.
A story in an inappropriate time, people call it a lie. Thou shalt not be misled by an abominable worm, Lady Vertin. Or her limbs are not my next target. The last question. As the only one who bravest the storm easily, I wonder, the arcanists thou hast met, how are they?
I will join you.
They are not very well, are they?
I rarely meet them. Most of them are deserted. In the mental hospital, the correctional institution, the abandoned orphanage, and the streets that no one sets foot on.
We have been deserted by the principles of this world, as though we were born to be so eccentric and marginalized. Thine eyes are not blinded, Lady Vertin. Bonvenon Heyman.
It hurts.
Can you stand up, Miss Schneider? Both your right hand and left leg are injured.
Spanishi, don't touch my gun! Rotten roots croaking toss coming cure.
Lady Vertin, what do you think of her pistol?
A great one.
Exactly. Which was improved by our finest wand maker, Druvis III. Take this.
I don't need it.
And end her life.
Why? I've decided to join you. The 3 questions are all done. It's already enough.
Indeed. It is a mission, a new mission showing our welcome to thee. Thou hast no right to refuse. Complying is thy only choice. Yet Lady Vertin liketh not this, then nay it is. Have an orange.
Orange? Why are oranges here?
Stop running, you orange thief!
Schneider, how did you become so young?
Huh? Your clothes? Are you from the downtown? Ah, I see. You are the friend that Mia Sorella said helping us pick oranges. Come with me. We have to hurry up. Uncle Cannavale is going to transport the oranges to town tonight.
Where am I?
Don't be afraid. You can cut the oranges when you climb there. I'll grab you tight.
The orange tree feels so real. Warm breeze, the familiar scent. I am here to pick oranges.
My lord, it's not fair. You're shooting someone seriously injured. Wake up. Come to your senses.
Ah, thank you for wiping the mud off my face.
Are you really here to help us pick oranges? You don't look very skilled. Or is all the city people like that?
Who says I'm not skilled? Observe. Let me pick up that big orange at the top for you. Just climb up here, take a small jump, then I'll get it. Hey, I got it!
So it feels like this, to be shot by my own bullet. It's not over yet, my lord. Then Don't blame me for giving no mercy. Your back is bloody red. Don't you feel the pain? Feel it. Anna, what the hell did she show you?
Vertin's back. Such a huge scar on her back. How? Interesting. Interesting lines. The moon. The eye. What is it?
How did you fall from the tree? Your back is bleeding.
I think I just saw a critter. Didn't watch my step when driving it away.
Critter. I know it. That's the little animal that didn't take the ark, right? I often find them in the bushes.
You often see strange creatures? Are you also an arcanist? The critters are making trouble now. Wait a minute. I will deal with them soon.
You want to offer your seat to the senior?
That's them?
Take it easy.
Don't worry, you won't cry soon! Police's number. I'll carve it on your face.
Try for free. Try for free.
Interessante, interessante!
This way?
Handle it gently.
Let's play peekaboo. I will help you. Let's play peekaboo. I will help you.
Flying handbag for only 3,000 Flippin' Take it easy. Handle it gently. Flying handbag for only 3,000 Flippin' A little bit hot here.
That's them?
This way?
Prego! Don't worry, you won't cry soon!
I'm hungry.
I'll give you the time to pray.
Promise?
As if possible.
Don't forget to come visit me. Snack time.
Ciao, amore!
Bloody prom.
That's them?
The ocean dried and I'm alone again.
Police's number. I'll carve it on your face. Police's number. I'll carve it on your face.
Take it easy. Handle it gently.
This way? Here you are. It's the big orange. Thank you for helping us. Let's have it together. I want to hear the story about the world outside.
In the future, will you also come to town, Schneider?
No, I have no idea. I've never left here. But my uncles have gone to the United States many years ago. Don't do this. My family would also like to go. I heard that it's completely different from here. Enough. It's the real new world. Don't be ridiculous. There are wonders. Full measure of their blessing will be given. Sins will be forgiven. The God there loves the world.
Why?
Why don't you eat, Miss 14?
It hurts. I don't feel like it. I've been wondering. Don't you think this orange tastes bitter?
I'm not shoot, my lord. Huh? Just one last shot. Why did you stop? Why? Don't I deserve the right to die fast? Oh, did God finally forgive me? He allowed me to stay alive.
Schneider! Why are you covered in blood? The pistol. No. No, don't come over! Schneider! Why?
My lord. Not now.
I'm sorry.
Oops. Right in the heart. Accidentally, though, our new member is quite the sharpshooter. Where are you going, Miss Druvis?
To where I go.
This body, thou hast any idea, Miss Druvis?
Send her back to where she belongs, so that they know Miss Burton's choice.